time, so I thought I'll bring you with me as we're getting the cows in. On the Polaris, I'm not quite sure how many cows there is up here. There could be at least 250 of them up here. I'll get these in and then I'll have an electric fence to take up while I'm up here, and that will be what they're eating tonight. After the large amount of rain we've had some lovely sunny days now. It's a little bit foggy. Been quite a bit of fog on the morning, and then it's burnt off on an afternoon. It's been absolutely red hot. Good on. And it is actually a good job that it's come all the rain it has, because if it hadn't come when it did, we'd actually run out of grass. So it came just at the right time. I don't think these will take a lot of getting out of here, because there hasn't been the most grass in the world. Go on, girls! Right, so I'll just have to turn this electric fence off. And then when I've got these pushed out the field, I'll take that one up and then move the ticker over onto the next one. Go on, girls! Go on! So what we generally do is we put fences out a couple of fields before the cows get to it. It's all set up, the electric fences are all set up in their little paddocks for strip grazing. You come up, get the cows in, take the fence off, take the fence up, and then just have to move the ticker over to the next one and turn it on, and that's ready for when they come back out after milking. proving the case. Got the fog rolling in now. Go on, girls. Do it. Daft old bat. I've had a bad month really, to be honest with you. Coming to work one morning and a deer jumped out in front of me. And it caused quite a bit of damage. I'll just stick a couple of pictures up and show you what damage it had done. And it's been in the body shop now. I've just got it back. It's been in there six days or so. And I picked it up yesterday and I looked at the final bill, and all I can say is thank God insurance pays for it. And it was £3,300 for that little dent. Go on, do it. And it didn't look like £3,300 worth of damage when he looked at it. Go on, girls. Go on. Go on, girls. Yeah, I'll stick a few pictures up and you'll see the damage that was done to it. Go on, girls. And I know it's a popular brand of German car and it won't be the cheapest to mend, but it was still a lot of bloody money. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll just gather the electric fence up. Right, so now just gather this fence up and move the ticker over to the next one. I think grass has jumped a little bit thanks to that rain, but if you'd seen this 10 days ago, this field here now, it didn't look as green as this. It was starting to burn off. It's, at the time, all the cows had was an 11-acre field, and if it hadn't rained and come that rain, we were out of grass basically. Thankfully, with it being so wet, we kept them in last weekend, so that just saved a couple of days worth of grass out here. So that did just help a little bit. Just give it a little chance just to get going again. It's just my flipping luck, it's not a geared reel, isn't it? We haven't got many of these reels which aren't geared, but it's just my luck I've got one now. It's a good job it's not a very wide field. Before long your arms start aching. It takes that long. So I just need to move that to the next bit. And having your fields already set up like this saves an awful lot of time as well. So it's just so easy, just get the cows in, take the fence up, move your ticker. Just makes it a lot easier. So that is ready for them now. It's ready for later. Right, now we'll go catch them up and keep them walking, because the old beggars will not keep walking. So this Polaris I'm on, I think it's the same type 18 TV I've got, and they are, I wouldn't say they dislike it, but it's not their favourite machine on the farm. And they were doing a demo of a new one, which looked, to be honest, a very nice machine. They were doing a bit of hill climbing. But I thought it wasn't a hill really, lads, it was a slope. Just a gentle slope. And I'll show you guys what a hill is one day, and what this thing can climb. Because I'll give it one thing, you get it in low range, get four-wheel driving, it will almost climb a mountain. It's absolutely brilliant. But what it's not so brilliant at is coming down them. So if you haven't got a few revs on to keep drive, it just freewheels. That's the only downside with it really, I think. Whereas the one them lads demoed, it had hill descent on it, which looked as though it worked extremely well. There you go, come on. So I thought next time the cows in one of our steeper fields grazing, I'll just show you what this thing will actually climb up. Come on girls, go here. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that little quick one, getting the cows in. I won't film all the way back down to the farms. It's going to take me another quarter of an hour to get back down there. If the fog hadn't come in, I'd have sent the drone down in front of us and got a shot of the cows all the way down to the farm there, but it's probably mistier than what you'll probably be able to see actually. So I'll say we'll end that one for now, and we'll catch you on the next one.